This is super glue, this is spray, and this here is foam board. Come see how I made AK47 using these things, just these things. I know you'll be surprised. And if you want to make something like this, you want to make something, because I know many people want to make movie and they don't know how to get these tools. Yeah, it's a government property, you can't get it. So you want to make something artificial, you want to make something like this, you can DM me in the comment section, tell me you are interested, or just chat me up and you can get it, but it's not for free. You know what I'm saying? Alright, come see how I made it.